Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Vertical angles are angles that are opposite each other when two lines intersect each other. Complementary angles are two angles that add up to 90 degrees. These two angles can be located anywhere. They don't have to be next to each other.
Make your mark, take our lead.
When two lines intersect, they form two pairs of opposite angles, A plus C and B plus D. Another word for opposite angles are vertical angles. Vertical angles are always congruent, which means that they are equal. When a transversal intersects with two parallel lines, 8 angles are produced.
Take our lead.
If the angles are vertical, then they are congruent, or the same measure. Therefore, if a vertical equals 3x and the other equals 80x, you would simply set up an equation, 3x equals 80x. Add x to both sides, then you would get 4x equals 80.
Take our lead.
Example, find angles a degree, B degree and C degree below. Angles a degree and C degree are also vertical angles, so must be equal, which means they are 140 degrees each. Answer, A equals 140 degrees, B equals 40 degrees and C equals 140 degrees. Note, they are also called vertically opposite angles, which is just a more exact way of saying the same thing.
Take our lead.
Vertical angles are always congruent, or of equal measure. Both pairs of vertical angles, 4 angles altogether, always sum to a full angle, 360 degrees. Adjacent angles. In the figure above, an angle from each pair of vertical angles are adjacent angles and are supplementary, add to 180 degrees.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Vertical angles are angles opposite each other where two lines cross. For example, AXD, angle AXD, AXD angle, AXD and BXC, angle BXC, BX angle, BXC are vertical angles in the following diagram, created with Raphael CCCDBAX.
Make your mark, take our lead.
When two straight lines intersect at a point, 4 angles are made. The non-adjacent angles are called vertical or opposite. Since either of a pair of vertical angles is supplementary to either of the adjacent angles, the vertical angles are equal in value or size. 24 January 2013.
Take our lead.
Angles a degree and C degree are also vertical angles, so must be equal, which means they are 140 degrees each. Answer, A equals 140 degrees, B equals 40 degrees and C equals 140 degrees. Note, they are also called vertically opposite angles, which is just a more exact way of saying the same thing.
Take our lead.
Answer, vertical angles must have same vertex and be congruent. Step-by-step explanation, when two lines crosses each other, the opposite angles are known as vertically opposite angles or vertical angles where vertical refers to the vertex. Therefore, vertical angles must have same vertex and be congruent. 31 August 2016.
Take our lead.
Vertical angles that include an unknown value. Let's try another one. Vertical angles are angles in opposite corners of intersecting lines. Example: solve for the variable. Use the fact that vertical angles are congruent to complete the triangle on the right. 18 May 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.